Public speaking, the biggest art that we all need to understand and learn it very well. Throughout the day, do you know that you are practicing public speaking? Throughout the day, you are practicing communication. Throughout the day. How? Because you are not aware about it, that you have the ability to talk properly, but you are not using it by using your lame language throughout the day with your friends, with your family members, with your teachers, whoever the person is. Means we are practicing communication in a lame manner, and then we got on a stage or either in any superior person, and in that area we lack, and we think that we are not able to communicate well. So I need to take any kind of courses, any kind of communication mastery, so that when I came across people's, I master over it. That's the biggest bullshit I ever seen. I ever realize it, that people are not realizing that stuff. They didn't need any kind of courses and stuff. They already have all things. They just need to do practice, and they are just doing practice. But the practice is the negative manner. They don't even think about it. Suppose if you are talking to your friend with a lame language throughout the day for about 2 or 3 hours continuously, or not continuously, but by concluding all the day talk, okay, 2 or 3 hours, and the same journey goes for a month. So after a month, did you think that do you have any kind of special ability to communicate with anyone else? No, you never have. So right now, make sure that whenever you're talking to your friend, talk properly. Whenever you're talking to your teacher, talk properly. Whenever you're talking to your parents, talk properly. So when you are doing these small changes, and these small changes do a lot of efforts, do a lot of impact to your lifetime. Because after a certain period of time, you develop mastery over your communication. Because you did that throughout the day, daily and daily, with all peoples, without making judgment. Yeah, judgment, that's the biggest concept that people are lacking. They are talking to your friends in a different tone. They are talking to someone superior person in a different tone. By judging their positions, they are thinking, okay, that person is so huge, and so huge in the sense they are so successful, I need to talk properly and all that stuff. Why are you doing that? I mean, why are you not looking at the person normally? When you look at the things normally, so you came across your understanding, you came across your way of thinking. And when you understand this, so your communication already becomes best. Because you now understand, aware about your thinking. You don't need a lot of, focusing, tips and tricks while communicating. So remember one thing, don't get into tips and tricks. You already have the skill set to communicate proper. Right. In next video, we're going to talk about public speaking. But right now, we are going to only targeting the communication skill set. So throughout this video, we understand one thing is that we are practicing communication daily and daily with all our friends. And if we are using lame language again and again, so over a certain period of time, we develop that kind of skill set. And I think that's what we have. 95% people have the skill set, talking with lame language. So if you are right now, change this mindset, talk properly to your friend, talk properly to everyone. After a certain period of time, you will see that your way of talking is different. And now add these two things into this, like voice tonality, lowering down your pitch like this. Hey brother, okay. And the expression into it, some expression. I'm not saying a lot of expression, but some expression, and your face expression also. These 2 or 3 things, practicing daily and daily, you will find out your communication starts becoming better. And remember one thing, while communicating, don't judge the people. Okay, see the people normally, that they are humans. They are not like aliens. They're not gonna bite you. Okay, they're just humans. So make sure that you see the people normally. When you see the people normally, you just came across your own thoughts, because now your mind is not busy to judge that person on the basis of their salary, on the basis of their house and all that stuff. You just free this small mindset. You just all free. And when you are free with that mindset, so you came across your real power. And that's how the communication works. So 2 things to learn. First thing is that throughout the day, practice it with all your friends, family, whatever it is. Second thing is that don't judge the people. Please don't judge it. Just see them normally. If either they are waiter, either they are employee, either they are boss, talk normally. See them normally. Okay. And when you came across this, your mind already becomes it. And when it becomes relaxing, so your thought is start improving it. So that's all about for the communications. Make sure you follow these 2 steps. These are 2 simples. Right now, start implementing it. Talk to your friends properly. Stay healthy, stay happy. And yeah, don't judge the people. See that normally.